Alright guys, I'm at Devil's Tower getting ready to do the hike, but I'm going to leave a stay behind here. As you can see, the sunlight's not, it's like really hazy, so we'll see what kind of results we get. But what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take pasta and pour it in here. I've got my pasta, now I'm going to just add the sauce. And I'm going to add a generous amount of sauce. And I even added some tomato sauce in there as well. So we'll go ahead and set this on top of the car and see what happens when I get back from my little hike. Alright guys, as you can tell I had a lot of fun, spent some time. I left my super old Go that I've probably used 500 times. No one stole it, fortunately, so let's check it out. So it looks really good. We'll see what the consistency's like here. Oh yeah. The noodles are soft, hot, and done. So pretty much all you got to do for pasta and any Go Sun product is pour the sauce in, let it sit, and you have an excellent pasta dish here. Oh yeah, really good.